Good day, everyone, and welcome to Admiral Markets webinar today. My name is Nenad, and I will present you today's trading ideas. So, in addition to our Telegram service, we had an excellent result on Telegram. 60 pips were possible, but today, as I said, market is a little bit volatile. So it's always like you need to manage your trade. You need to go with the flow, and basically that is what I have to say regarding today's market conditions. They are not very ideal, but still we managed to grab some pips. As I said on Telegram service, this was our entry 55.39 to 40, and this is where I have still my stop loss at 54.80. So 60 pips easy on Euro AUD, because Euro AUD is fast moving pair, and that was my trading idea that I posted on our Telegram members. So if you want to join, of course, feel free to email me, and I will send you information how you can join a Telegram service. And in addition to, of course, our Telegram service, I will post now today possible setups, and have in mind that these setups might happen today, tomorrow, and possibly on Friday. But you need to know that this week is very heavy on fundamentals, and you definitely need to be very careful, guys. It's very I can say risky market this week, and that is why I have chosen Euro AUD today to be the first trade for this day, and I'm very happy for it. So I am not sure that I will be making any more trades until I see Euro dollar or pound dollar. I will show you now pound dollar and Euro dollar setups, and that will be my also setups if they happen. So patience, guys, is always the key to trading success. Yesterday on Telegram service, I posted the Australian dollar New Zealand trade. It was good for 12 pips. Today, Euro AUD was good for 60 pips. So basically, it's like 72, and it's still going because I haven't been stopped yet. So it's very good when you have fast moving market, and that is what I always like to mention. When you add profits to profits in your compounding spreadsheet, then you can really get excellent results regarding your trading account. Be patient, guys. Sometimes not having a position in market equals to have a profitable position. So always listen to what I have to say, and you should be good. Risk disclosure statement. Okay, Forex and CFD trading is basically risky, and you need to know that everything that I show here is my personal opinion only. Okay, all trading ideas, all analysis, everything is my own personal opinion. Video is not part of the .co.uk website, but the globalnews.com website. Okay. To get a corresponding information on charting conditions and any other detail, you should visit Admiral Markets Global, select your country of residence, and contact an appropriate entity. Have in mind that Christmas already came early with Admiral Markets, and you have a great spread rebate on DAX 30 and 14 other pairs. You can check the Admiral Markets webpage and see what Admiral has to offer. I also trade with Admiral Markets, and all of you who are watching me here and watching what I do on Telegram know that I trade with Admiral Markets now exclusively. Why Admiral Markets UK Ltd? Excellent index offerings, excellent contract size, excellent platforms, so you can boost your MT4 and MT5 platforms. This was the trading opportunity that I presented for the previous week, and you could make some nice profits if you bought also Euro dollar from 1770, as I presented in the previous webinar. Rules and setups: we use POC zones, master candle setups, wool waves, and price action. Everything you see here is my personal opinion and trades. We use market or pending orders. We don't use scalping on live sessions. Okay. Yeah, screen is paused. It seems that screen is paused. Thank you, Bob, for your notice here. This was a trading opportunity for the previous session, live trading webinar here. And these are rules and setups. So POC zones, master candle setups, Wolves, price action. Everything you see here is my personal opinion on trades. Market, we do market or pending orders. And it's also, guys, very important. Once you're in trade, you really need to do your own trade management. For example, again, I need to refer back to my trade that I posted on Telegram. Because, guys, I might do this. Some people would like to put their stops and ride a full price potential. I effectively, by doing this, I secure like 60 pips. So it's always up to you, guys. It's always up to you how you will manage your trade. Sometimes it's not very grateful for me to say do this, do that, because you know. Uh, you need to do your own thing with trade management. Everyone's risk appetite is different, and everyone has their own risk mindset. You need to have your own you only developed mindset for trading. And for me, I'm not a risky trader unless, let's say, I want to bring 300 or 500 euro account to 1000 or 1500. Obviously then I need to use slightly higher risk, but it's my own decision. No one can go against my own decision. If I want to risk if I want to risk 500 euros, out of all those 500 euros, it's my own decision. Okay? And every decision for trading, it should be your own. But if you have higher account, okay, then try to lower your risk, because it's not the same. You can afford to risk 500 euros to get 2,000 euros, but it's hard to risk 100,000 euros in several trades. You really need to think about going with 1-2% of risk, a maximum, on higher accounts. That is what I recommend. Okay. Friday is day to take profits, use profit stops, and follow me on Tarantula FX on Twitter. This is my first trading opportunity for this webinar. Potential buy trade on GBP dollar 33.20, 32.80 stop. TP should be 33.90. Okay, so again, guys, I've been receiving a lot of questions regarding ECS Live, Telegram service, and these webinars. These webinars go together, guys. So Chris and I both post our trades on Telegram service, and you will have probably 2-3 trade setups per day, sometimes even more. Okay, these webinars that I do with Admiral Markets are additional webinars, additional webinars to our Telegram service. So by watching Admiral Markets webinars and by using our Telegram service, you should have every day a new setup, not just one, but several setups. Again, I see still people coming in, and for all of you who joined later, this is a trade that I gave on Telegram today, 60 pips profit secured, and this is my higher account. I enter with slightly bigger lot size because it's a bigger account. So it's always that you're trading the risk, and 60 pips for 1 or 2 hours is very, very good result. You need really to agree with me. I think it's great result. Mars is saying, just enter, did I miss something? No, this is the first trading opportunity for Admiral Markets live training session webinar, and this is the second opportunity. So we have euro dollar, we have pound dollar. As I say, this week is very risky. There are a lot of fundamentals, and it's very, very, I can say, fundamental week. Now I will open the calendar and I will show you guys what's going on here. Okay, just give me a few seconds to open the calendar. Yeah, I mean, I've been a long time member on Forex Factory, and the reason I really like to use the calendar on Forex Factory, and this is it. So you see crude oil inventories, guys, coming in, let's say, 1 hour and a half. Then we have for FOMC economic projections. Guys, these news are very, very fundamentally driven. You need to know that dollar, CAD, oil, uh, complete dollar basket, and of course dollar yen being it will the dollar yen will be impacted the most out of all these currencies. You need to know that this will be risk events. That is the reason why I have posted this Euro Audi, because Euro Audi guys today didn't have big risks. So when I post trade setups, you need to know that I always try to pick the best setups for you, and I have everything into account: trading day, trading session, fundamental releases, the impact on currency pair, everything. That is why it takes me some time, of course, to post these setups. But as you can see, very, very good 60 pips on euro Australian dollar. And I hope that we will get even more. If it gets euro dollar, guys, if it gets to 80.50, I will be selling it. Okay, I really will be selling it. It will be a counter trend trade opportunity. I will show you my screen now. Yeah, I mean, guys, this is really, really. Whew. Let me just. Okay, Euro Audi. Wow, this is really, really awesome. I still see that Euro Australian dollar. Guys, just give me a few seconds. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Euro dollar here. Wow, this is really, really good. Euro Australian dollar. I just managed to protect more profits on Euro dollar. I need to send a chat on Telegram service, guys. Just give me a few seconds to send a chat on Telegram service. Okay, stops moved to plus 70 plus 70 pips. Okay, this is the reason why I will be doing Euro Australian dollar trade. Not Euro dollar, sorry, Euro dollar. You should be seeing my screen now. Euro dollar. This is where I would sell, guys. First of all, we have a big weekly candle. Now, guys, if you follow my Camarillas, I hope you do. Once more, why Camarilla is for me is the best for pivot points. Watch this. How many times did I tell you how weekly H3 and weekly L3 are respected? Watch this. L3, watch this H3. And watch how the price is rejecting L3 and H3. This is weekly candle overlay. And you see, the price went to H3, then it rejected, then it went to weekly L3, and it rejected again. So most of the time, price will it will be ranging between weekly L3 and weekly H3, and that range of the price determines also my setups. I think that if the price breaks this range, okay, it will have W leaned pattern, but then again, it should be rejected from 1850. This is where I would sell. If we go to 4-hour time frame, guys, if you go to 4-hour time frame, watch this. A lot of sellers here in the past. Monthly L1 level, weekly H1 level. Watch this. So I would be selling from here. At this point, my Camarilla tells me that this is bullish. And indeed, this is bullish. We have brand new momentum on 4-hour time frame. So soon, this could proceed more to the upside. But where? I would be selling it here. Guled is saying, I use your camera indicator for confluence for setup. Fantastic indicator. Thank you. Thank you, Guled. I'm very glad. And you really, guys, I mean, you really need to know that I try to provide best tools, best charts, whatever, because this is who I am. And Muhammad is asking, is euro dollar a buy now because sell level is 100 pips up? No, guys, you need to understand what I'm saying. if I say that I would be selling from this, it doesn't mean that I will go on a buy trade. I'm not making any trades now on euro dollar. I will just wait. If it gets there, I will be selling it. If it doesn't get there, the trade will be missed. Please always I always make clear statements, trading ideas, entries, stops, and targets. There is nothing that is not clear here. It says sell 1850. It doesn't sell buy at 1755. So only if the price gets there, I will be selling it. If not, it means that I will not have a trade. Simple as that. You cannot just buy now because I tell you that the price could go there. I don't have any buy signal at this point. For me to have a buy valid signal, this MACD has to break to the above zero line, guys. It needs to break above zero line, or I need to have a clear breakout trade from my ECS type 3 alerter on euro dollar, because euro dollar is bullish now. I want to see an alert on 5-minute, 15-minute, or 30-minute time frame to tell you go long now, because higher time frames are bullish. That's the only way I would tell you to go, let's say, long now. It's impossible. We don't have a long setup now. But if my alerter tells me that I can go long, then I would tell you guys now it's time to go long. Also, euro Australian dollar is protected for 17 pips, guys. It's huge. I mean, really, I'm enjoying this trading day today. Really, this looks very, very nice. And the reason why I posted euro Australian dollar is clear, guys. I want something to trade that does not have a big impact on currency pairs, and euro Australian dollar didn't have it. Okay, so one of the reasons why I did it. Okay, so yeah, definitely that was it. And now we are waiting. Either euro, pound dollar is close. You see, I would like to buy it. I have a clear trend on 4-hour, but the only thing that is bothering me is this. Tomorrow, I think, will be, let me check the screen. I think tomorrow is rate decision. Yes, Thursday. This will be heavy, guys. So that is why I'm thinking to make a, well, short-term trade on pound dollar. Tomorrow, guys, I don't think I would be trading anything, because tomorrow, watch this, huge. Every pair will have a big news. So tomorrow maybe we can see some, I don't know, maybe some commodity or equity that is not directly connected to Forex. I already did, if you followed me, I already did the WTI analysis, and you can read it on Admiral Markets website here. WTI is bullish, but watch for crude oil inventories data. This is what we can have today if the price will remain bullish. If not, guys, then it could probably drop below this level. So yeah, this could be a bit. I gave a little bit lengthier explanation for WTI, but I know that a lot of you asked me to do not just Forex market, guys, but something like, let's say, equities, commodities, and I started doing that. Also, guys, in addition to my standard Forex trading, have in mind that from January, we will have the same recap, but just rebranded. Because I will be giving you not just Forex trading ideas, but I will be giving you equities trading ideas and commodities trading ideas. So from January, you can already sign. we will have weekly trading recap, forex, equities, and commodities. So please click join, sign up, because I will be giving you each Monday not just forex but also equities and commodities trading ideas. Okay, so watch for that. Yeah, also guys, for cryptos, I can do it, no problem. Just give me a few seconds. I will show you crypto chart, but I really need to. Okay, I just need guys to just wait. I'm closing Euro Audi for 80 pips. Okay, closed for 80 pips. Euro, Australian dollar, and yes, I will show you Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. I need to answer. Okay, so where were I? Okay, I need to switch to account that has the Bitcoin here. Okay, here guys. Okay, you see my screen. Andre is asking, did you have a chance to trade cryptos after changes in admiral markets last week? Is it better? Honestly, guys, it should be better. But I personally didn't trade cryptos. Maybe. I really don't know. This is demo account for cryptocurrencies. So I don't know. I really don't know. It should be better, but I need to trade it on live account to see if it's better or not. So I don't have an answer to that questions. I had an information during my seminar in Zagreb, Croatia. My friends from Croatian office in Zagreb told me that definitely the change on admiral market accounts for the Bitcoin will be for the better. But I didn't check it personally. So maybe if you are up to trade it, just do a small lot size, small risk, and definitely you will see if it's better or not. Yeah, I mean, this is the Bitcoin. I really need to start trading this, but I need to open the account, new account for this. You see, guys, the Bitcoin is it's a bit how can I say? It's always buy the dip, right? Now on 4 hour time frame, we have a possible sell because of this. This looks like it could be inverted head and shoulders. But still, guys, this is technical perspective. Bitcoin is relentless. The reason why gold has lost some of its value is I think that some flows go from gold as a safe haven into the Bitcoin. Uh, Bitcoin is very, very strong at this point. But I personally think that whatever happens, it's still bought on dips. It's risky to take counter trend trade opportunities. But this looks like head and shoulders here. Histogram is also red, but it's still, as you can see, it's still trying to get above the level. If it goes above this level, guys, I think weekly H4 we will reach. I'm going for short-term setups. Yes, this looks like a potential double top. Indeed, you see this one. This is left shoulder, this is head, and this could be the right shoulder here. And it can start to drop. But it's very, it could be risky. As I say, it's still going up. So it would be good that it's sold, but from this level in order to be bought later. But you see, it's either it will be either rejecting from this zone, or if it breaks it, I think the next is 1900. So yes, guys, it's very risky. It, yeah. Ethereum, on the other hand, is, well, guys, I was really thinking to buy Ethereum, and I think I will also trade Ethereum very soon and hold it as an asset because Ethereum is, watch this, it's very, very good. It already broke this range and it's going higher. Also, I think buying on dips could be profitable on Ethereum. Yeah, I mean, cryptos are hyped, and definitely, definitely buying the dips is the option. Someone asked about gold. Okay. Guys, I told you gold is losing the value because, in my opinion, I don't know, I never read it. I didn't read it anywhere on the internet. But I think that, as I said, the from flows from gold are actually being moved into the Bitcoin, and gold now is losing. I mean, it will always be a safe haven, no matter what, guys. It's been like for many thousand years, even before century, gold had its value, right? And the first mines were actually discovered in South Africa. And I read it somewhere that the first mines were discovered 200,000 years before century. Take it or leave it. I believe in that stuff, guys. And it's not just the coincidence that gold actually has had a strong value during before century and now in 2017-18. So gold will always have the value, but currently traders are slightly moving from gold into the cryptos, especially Bitcoin. And you can see that gold is actually going down now. And if you read my previous gold analysis, I told you that it could have been sold on rallies, and actually it happened. Gold was indeed sold on rallies. So again, this looks like another sell to me, guys. Although you see it's having inverted head and shoulders. So in order for me to sell it, it needs to make a retracement on 4-hour time frame. And I think this could be the level to sell it, the zone. Somewhere from this monthly L4 retest, weekly H3. Because on 1 hour it has inverted head and shoulders. If it goes more to the upside, look for this level and watch for this level here. Ahmed is saying that the cryptos that don't exist on ECN account. Yes, there are no cryptocurrencies on ECN accounts. Andre, is it better to trade crypto on separate account to protect main account in the case of blow? Well, Andre, the thing is, I have different accounts with Admiral Markets, and yes, that is what I do. For example, I have a big account, and that big account use a very small risk. On smaller accounts, I use higher risk because if I put 500 euros, I want to make 2,000 out of 500. So I'm using bigger risks. So yes, it's a good idea. Mary is asking, what about New Zealand dollar? Let me see New Zealand dollar. Yeah, New Zealand dollar is going up. This is indeed strong uptrend. Wow, and yeah, I was again right about New Zealand dollar. Nice uptrend, really. And I think I would actually look to buy. Just let me see where. It was already bought from this zone here. You can see type 2 entry on Camarilla, type 1 entry on Camarilla. Wow, this is now going to its average on its ATR projection. And here, bang, if it drops, guys, I think I could buy it. But it really needs to drop. And I would be going for 15-minute trade possible here, somewhere here. But it needs to drop. Guys, New Zealand dollar is buy on dip. Edward is saying, hi, Could you please pause here how to connect with you on Telegram chat? Of course, please send me an email and I will reply. Okay? I will show you how to connect with me on Telegram. Okay, guys, just send me an email and I will give you the link where you can sign up for Telegram service. Uh, Sometimes, it takes me few hours or maybe a few days, but usually I'm very fast with replying. But I receive really tons of emails each day, and it's very hard to reply. I mean, it's not hard, but sometimes I miss. So if you see that I missed your email, do not hesitate to send it again. Agnes is saying, Nenad, GBP dollar and euro dollar. Orders are valid till FOMC. Guys, I think that I could be selling really euro dollar even maybe after the FOMC. I don't know. To me, really, guys, I think this euro dollar is, I mean, only if I don't see a big, big, big spike to the upside, then, you know, it could be risky. But if I see that the price is going up, then grinds down, then it's going up again, I think 1850 is good, at least for some short-term scalp trades, guys. At least for some short-term scalp trades. I think it could be good, indeed. Uh, you see, guys, someone said, Nenad, I really admire your passion. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I always will be here for you. And you can be sure that I want the best, the best, the best for all of you traders. I remember how it was hard when I started to trade. It was not like we had regulated market as we had it now. We didn't have good indicators. All those systems that were posted, they didn't work good. And I really had a hard time to develop my own method myself. It took me so many hours, so many sleepless nights, trial and error, so much money. It's so that is why I want really, really to help you. Justin is saying Telegram chat is free or paid. Telegram, of course, is paid. It really takes a lot of commitment from myself and Chris, and Telegram is not free. It's paid service. Uh, okay, let's see what else, guys. Someone asked, what do I think about dollar CAD? Guys, dollar CAD is going up now. But also, see, this is consolidation with a histogram that is red now. This looks like upward candle. And obviously it is, because for market is waiting for crude oil data, guys. And crude oil it will be either down or up. So I am suggesting for all of you who want to trade WTI or let's say, yeah, dollar CAD and WTI, watch for any rejection upside or downside. It could be good. GBP dollar, as I said, it's going down now, but I will be looking for this slight dip in order for me to buy the GBP dollar, at least for some scalp swing trade. I want it a little bit more down, maybe here inside 33.20, and then I would go for a short-term swing scalp trade. Zlatko is asking, is euro dollar going up? Is there divergence? Yes, we have divergence on euro dollar, okay, but it is going up. But still, I don't have a clear signal to go up because according to my Camarilla MACD rules, I need to have momentum aligned and trend. So I still need to wait to see where euro dollar will go. It should go up. But again, if it doesn't go up, if it starts to range until the FOMC, during the FOMC, we might see two-way trading. So you need to be careful. Justin is asking, how about dollar yen? This is dollar yen. It's currently trying to go and touch this ATR projection low, but definitely it's in downtrend at this point. You see, the pattern broke to the downside as I warned also on my Monday recap, and maybe if you visited my Monday recap, maybe you traded this. You see, to the downside. It went down. Now I think that we could maybe still see one more sell before the FOMC, and if it gets here 113.30, I think that you could go for a sell here, but it should happen at least 2 hours before the FOMC. Hugo is asking, can I get your MACD indicator? Send me an email and I will send you the MACD. So that was it, guys. So yes, this could be a good trading opportunity. 113.30 to 25 sell. Stops should be placed above 113.45 and target should be 112.85. Yes, dollar yen. And also, this is what I'm looking for. And one more question. Daniel is asking, is there a buy for pound yen? Well, pound yen is going up and down for last couple of days. I don't see, Daniel, I don't see anything clear on pound yen. I don't see a trend here. I don't see a counter trend opportunity. The only thing where I could make a buy trade is if my 1 hour dashboard tells me that it started to be bullish, but it's bearish now, and then I would go for breakout type 3 alerter. So not at the moment. I don't see anything on pound yen. Okay, guys. So I hope that I helped you to find more trading ideas today. I will be here with you soon again. As I say, ideally this should happen today before the FOMC. Even after the FOMC, if this happens, it could be good because it still needs to go more to the upside. But yes, I think this could be a good idea to trade. Thank you, guys. Watch for the big volatility. Try to protect yourself with volatility protection setting on your Admiral Markets account. And thank you for listening. Thank you for your comments. And I will talk to you soon. Cheers, guys. Trade safe.